Well, isn't that just adorable? I am pretty close. Especially they haven't attacked me yet. Oh, cute, they got a nest right there, huh? We got another one in the background over here. I'm going this way, okay. You're mad. Look at the little one. He's cackling. See the little one cackling? Little one pissing. I wish you could hear it. Oh, it's cute as hell. Alright, well, I'm out of here. Adios, muchacho.